We are RangeAero. We are modifying helicopters in a fashion that they can be utilized for logistics. 63% of the logistics goods are on demand and 45% of them are time sensitive. So there is definitely a need of shipping goods faster.
Right now there is nobody who's doing what we're doing. Because currently for a company that wants to send goods in a medium region, like for instance between two cities or a few hundred kilometers, they really have two options, railway and trucks, of which railways run on their schedule and they don't go everywhere. Trucks are better in this sense, but traffic in the city I live in Bangalore, traffic is a huge issue.
The trucks get stuck into the traffic congestion, bypass all the congestion and deliver the goods faster than any time available till today.
The RangeAero will provide the tools or the vehicles that make the cargo delivery in the medium scale more efficient, faster, make it more reliable as well.
So why we selected helicopters? It can land anywhere, it can take off from anywhere, it can carry transport for 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers or maybe 100 kilometers at one mission.
We are going for a fully autonomous system which should be capable of taking off, landing or fully flight on its own.
Being a product-based design company, you cannot directly jump into the bigger product because of the cost involved and the effort involved. MathWorks can provide us a model-based approach where certain amount of testing can be done in the software, and based on the performance from the small scale simulation, you can further go and increase and start building the bigger scaled prototype. For a startup, it is important because it will save you a lot of time, it will save you a lot of cost, it will also save you a lot of effort. And end of the day, it will make you safer. Your hardware can crash if it is not safe without even putting lives at risk, without putting hardware at risk. You can develop and test the approach what you are taking further.